They say that the Biafrans are set to sell tomatoes to northern Nigeria. As they talk that one, now Yoruba come outside, they say they get their own tomatoes, say they go see sell, give northern Nigeria. Hey, things are happening. My people, it be like say the clock don't turn around though. The people where they bring food come now. The people where they give food now, one can't sell food, go give them. But as that one they happen, you get one important issue I want to talk here today. I want you to hear what this man talk about Simon Ekpa and Nnamdi Kanu. He said that if no be waiting Simon Ekpa they do today, he say he never know wetin Nigeria government for don't do for inside this Nnamdi Kanu matter. But however, I'm going to bring you the video. As that one they happen, they say that Ohaneze Ndi Igbo don't come outside, maybe President General don't come outside. The contour say that the people will make this country, they go up and down. Now be the people where they call Fulani herdsmen, and they're supposed to hold them accountable. Nobody hold them, rather than they free them. The whole innocent people will not do anything. I'm going to bring the video for you to watch and see what they happen as we talk right now. But before we go, please do not forget to share and like this video, and also follow us if all our social media handles. My people, you still there for Balabas G's. Let me bring you this video for you to see the jubilation when Biafra man harvesting own tomatoes. You go see some baskets, and after that I'm going to show you the Yoruba's own. May you see say you better say that in wow, some people tell they do shakara. Very soon now, you go see everybody go get ranches like the way it be for outside country. Everybody go get ranches, cow, goat everywhere, so that way it say they carry come. We make una they enter people farm. You know if you carry and come again. But however, let's watch the video before we come back and continue.
Nyabo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 baskets. Lanko bere for Hello chukwe meka befem. Government nwa nyere anyị aka. Anyị gbacha farmer. Maka chukwu. Anyị je tomatoes gajere ya le Jos. Anyị je na ere tomato le Jos. Mere ndị Hausa. Anyị ka ha tomato arụ. Ihe aka bụ ka Genesis. Ka government push to anyị aka. Ọ ga-ahịa Abia State. Rutu Amaja.
I won't know. I'm man. Yes, this is just a beginning, and we still have a long way to go. If we can be sponsored by those who love good things, honestly, we have started, and we are going to merit so many things on this.
Yes, you.
This message.
Yes, you.
Okay, my wonderful people, as that one they happen, let me bring you the tomatoes where Yoruba people bring for their own side, and they say that you go hear what's in the talk for that video with Yoruba. Just watch the video.
Sangba, we are live now at Ọjà Ọ̀dàn ní express Ọjà Ọ̀dàn lọ sí Wùnbẹ́. Òun la ti ṣe live yìí. Ṣátìrì wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé tòmátò Yorùbá ni. Àwọn Fúlàní máa wá ń rà lọ́wọ́ àwọn máa lọ tún tà. Gbogbo wa tó ń sọ wípé ẹ máa gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣàlàyé kankan. Ẹ ti rí. Ẹ máa gbọ́ wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé mi pé 3,500 4,000 làwọn máa ń ta pẹ̀rẹ̀. Bọ̀dá bẹ́ẹ̀ rà ní ìgboro lọ́dọ̀ wa. 10,000 40,000 gbà mí 8,000. Ṣé ń gbọ́ iye tí wọ́n ń tà ní. Àwọn fún Haúsá yìí máa ń rà ní 3,000 4,000. Bọ̀tẹ́ bá fẹ́ lọ rà ní my 12 báyìí. Apẹ̀rẹ̀ tẹ́ ń wo ilé ọmọ máa ta fún yín ní 14,000 8,000. Àwọ̀dẹ̀ lá ní gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yìí o. According to gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ́ọ̀sìn. Ṣé ń gbọ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ní a lè dáko a lè ṣàgbẹ̀ ẹ máa bá ń ṣí ẹ̀. Ẹgbọ́n.
Tọ́rọ̀ bá di pé a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí iyán àgbẹ̀ lónìí Yorùbá lónìí.
Ṣé ń gbọ́?
So tá a bá fẹ́ di ipá kí ṣe nǹkan kankan àgbẹ̀ lónìí lọ́wọ́.
Ṣé ń gbọ́?
So
tọ́ba yẹ pé nípa ọ̀rọ̀ alákadé àwa la ní.
ṣé ń gbọ́
so
àwùjọ olóore kankan tó ń ṣe wá ẹ jẹ́ kó máa lọ kó ní kálukú dá wà lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ẹ ti rí gbogbo ẹ̀ ẹ ti rí gbogbo ẹ̀ ẹ máa bá wa share kẹ́ máa bá wa like love share ẹ máa bá wa ṣe kẹ́ máa bá wa pín káàkiri ẹ share gan kó máa káàkiri gbogbo àwọn ẹlẹ́nu òṣì tọ́ni tá a bá dá dúró ṣáà lè dáko kí la fẹ́ jẹ ṣáà lè ṣàgbẹ̀ ẹ ti rí tòmátò làlúkà ń jẹ ẹ ti rí àlúkà ń jẹ tòmátò ẹ ti rí àwọn èèyàn mi iron lady ọjọ́ ọ̀dàn tòmátò náà ń jẹ yìí ẹ ti rí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ láàní tòmátò ọ̀dọ̀ wa náà ti wá ń koná ló ń ta lówó gelemọ fún wa ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ rà kọ́ńtàtì mi màá fún ẹ ní bí wàá ṣe máa ráwọn gbogbo nǹkan yìí rà díẹ̀ mi nínú àfọ̀já Trump kẹjẹ ká mọ̀ ẹ ti rí gbogbo ẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ ó pọ̀ lẹ́bi yẹ̀pẹ̀ ó ń ṣe bí nìkan o ṣé rí gbogbo ọ̀nà yìí láti ọjọ́ ọ̀dàn títí lọ dé ìhùn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà tó sí ibi nìkan láti bí títí ipò bẹ́ẹ̀ ládé bọ́dà Nàìjíríà sí Benin Republic gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà ibi nìkan la kàn ti láǹfààní àti dúró yá ni. ẹ̀yin ìyá mi Ọlọ́run á ṣe ẹ jèrè ẹ fèrè jẹ̀kọ ẹ ní ṣe lásán lógo Ọlọ́run ẹ kú iṣẹ́.
Okay, my wonderful people, shebi you don see am. As e be like this, so na so e be now. All this is where you see na Yorubas and the Biafrans tomatoes. This one now no be Hausa tomatoes. They say that every journey has a beginning. And at the beginning of those journeys, now be this thing. Onions, e dey Igbo land, they grow well. But the only advice I want to give this our farmers, please do not use GMO. Yes, we will get the product, but the issue is that we will end up in cancers. Please do not use GMO in our farms. Look for the organic seed and use. Okay, my people, I'm going to bring you this video. May you hear the interview. When they talk concerning Martin Nandekalo and Simon Ekpa. Watch the video.
Today, can he wrestle his followership from Simon Ekpa?
There's a division because of the arrest and detention. So Simon Ekpa felt that he has to carry on the struggle now that the leader has been taken in. That is it. So if he's released today, it is likely, very likely, that he has to come to terms with Simon Ekpa to back down. Simon Ekpa is only acting because of his absence. He didn't say that he has overthrown him. Even when he wrote a letter from DSS custody directing that there should be no more sit at home and there should be no more arms against the state, Simon Ekpa said until he comes out physically that he will not believe that he wrote that under duress.
Of course.
That he wrote it. You cannot freely write something in this idea. When you are in custody, you now write something. It is not voluntary. So it is on that basis that he continued doing what he's doing. Simon Ekpa is the disciple of Nnamdi Kanu and a very dedicated, loyal disciple. I believe that if Nnamdi Kanu comes out, he will be able to tame Simon Ekpa. And many of these criminals that have cashed into the struggle or kind of tried to hide under IPOB to commit atrocities, they will be fished out or they will be controlled. Remember that this man, Nnamdi Kanu, people listen to him. So if he comes now and declares a truce, I believe that it will work. And those who try to violate that truce will easily be fished out. They will be sidelined. They will be exposed. Now, people are picking up arms out of resistance or protest to his extraordinary rendition. That is it. Before he was extraordinarily renditioned, there was no spate of violence like we see after his arrest. So it is a kind of protest against the way the state has treated him. So I believe that if he should come out now, all that will abate. But let me also say that the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is not entitled to be listening to one person or the other as to whether or not he will exercise his powers under the Constitution. Section 174 of the Constitution, subsection 3, like my learned friend pointed out earlier, only gave 3 conditions for the exercise of the power of withdrawal of criminal prosecution. It says that the Attorney General should only give vent to three factors. One is public interest. The second one is interest of justice. The third one, to ensure that such withdrawal is not against due process of law. And then we are talking about justice here. Interest of justice. It is on that basis the president must act, no matter what any of his commissioners thinks, no matter what any Southeast governors think, in the interest of justice. Because if you can release the chairman or leader of Miatala that has been saying all kind of terrible things against Nigerian state, you release him, you withdraw his charge and he goes home, and then you release Showore and he goes home, you release Sunday Igboho, withdraw his charge and he goes home. Then where is justice? Where is equity?
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, please share and also drop your own opinion for inside comment section. I am going to show you this particular video for you to watch and also see waiting the Réléase talk concerning waiting the happen for inside Nigeria.
The greatest danger to the unity of this country, to the breakdown of this country, is not Igbos, it's not IPOC, it's not Biafra, it's not even Yorubas, it's not the Ijos, it's not Arewa even. It is the husband. This armed headman carrying AK-47, and then also this Boko Haram. These two things are the things that are threatening this country. Boko Haram have been there for nearly 10 years. First World War didn't last up to 5 years. Second World War didn't last up to 6 years. This is the longest war. It's a war. And you know the thing that worries me about it, every day they tell us they have disembarked, they have done this, they have done this. The war is being fought round and round, round and round. In the school of infantry, the first lesson we are taught is that the only easiest way to defense is by being on the offensive. If I'm to advise Mr. President Onwa, I'll tell him that they are fighting a defensive war. They can't win that war. They must be on the offensive. Offensive means security. Intelligence must find out who are these Boko Haram, where are they, who are they. Squadrons of airport, and go and raid them in their place. Carry the attack to their homes. America will support us, Britain will support us. If we continue what we are doing, it's not going to work. They gather strength. They have changed now, they have the kidnapping group. Many places are not, can't go many places. They are spreading around the country. They have attacked Enugu. Make no mistake about it. The people have an ambition. There is no need making a mistake about, because I read an article on Saturday in Sun, a press statement by the Réléase president. I mean, he said clearly what they planned. He says that our land is their own. He didn't deny it. It's a press conference recorded. In Igbo land, the land is owned by people. We don't accept that. And then the matter is serious. But I want.
Okay, my wonderful people, now so we'll see for today, and I will say more quickly come bring and come give una. I beg, no forget to share this video so that many people will still get the information and know waiting they go, and drop your own opinion in the comment section regarding the updates we don't bring come give you. We will see you for the next update, and we'll talk for inside comment section.